today's video where we will take a detailed look at one of the most popular and exciting cars in the world, the Tesla Model 3. We will reveal all the amazing details and learn what makes this amazing electric car worthy of attention. Let's start by reviewing the technical specifications of the Tesla Model 3. This car features a powerful electric motor that produces, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in. The battery provides a travel range of up to a mile on a single charge. The Tesla Model 3 features a sleek, elegant design with clean, distorted lines. The front features LED lights and an aluminum grille. The interior is spacious and comfortable with a large information screen in the middle of the dashboard. The Tesla Model 3 comes equipped with the latest technology, including a heated seat system, touch climate control, an infotainment system that supports voice interaction, and an advanced safety system including a semi-autonomous driving system. We will now audition. The Tesla Model 3 provides a fun and smooth driving experience, with precise steering and quick response. The seamless integration of the electric motor and battery makes the Tesla Model 3 a unique driving experience. Let us conclude this video by saying that the Tesla Model 3 offers a wonderful driving experience, with exceptional performance and elegant design. If you're looking for an electric car that combines performance, technology, and comfort, it's hard to find something better than the Tesla Model 3. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Also watch this video, it may be useful to you, and do not forget to give us your opinion about this review of this car and to subscribe to the channel and like